Alright guys, yeah, back with some more internet news. There's a lot of news going around at Yellowstone about the volcano, and it's really, like in this article, it's really sparking fears that the ticking time bomb, ready to explode. It really basically is like a death nail to that part of the U.S. Or actually the whole U.S. because of the cloud, the ash cloud over the whole U.S. It even affect me. Uh, but yeah, it's like I guess they had an earthquake there a few days ago, and I keep hearing all these stories that it's about ready to explode. Uh, and I guess they said eventually it will. So that's kind of scary, huh? Then you got a video here too we can watch, but yeah, it's really scary that it can eventually explode, man. It'd be something else if it did. But yeah, I've heard these stories before. They just keep saying, one day it's gonna explode. We had the big one. But yeah, I'll link the story in the video here. But yeah, let me see. I think it's the video. There's also a story in a video here. Let's take a look. Let's play the video here for a little bit. Only like a minute, I think.
But I learned today that actually if you're in the park, there's a really good chance that there is an earthquake or several earthquakes occurring. In fact, from last night, yesterday evening, to when this earthquake occurred, to this evening, there were more than 60 earthquakes in the park today.
Wow.
And that tally comes from the U.S. Geological Survey, which tracks all the seismic and volcanic activity with the help of the University of Utah seismograph stations. Yesterday's 4.4 earthquake was the biggest that's occurred in the park since 2014. And looking at those 60 earthquakes I told you about, the range in magnitude goes from -1 to 3. The average magnitude is 1.7, so nothing that you could really feel. But park officials say these earthquakes actually play a really important role in keeping Yellowstone's geysers healthy and active. And Yellowstone's thermal activity is actually the focus of a very interesting new survey that was just published by the USGS. In this research, scientists say that by learning more about Yellowstone's geysers, they'll actually be able to look into predicting future volcanic eruptions.
Yeah, people really have no idea when it's gonna happen. They just think it's gonna happen. Fears of that's what's gonna happen one of these times. It might not be in our lifetime, or it could be in our lifetime. You never know. All right, guys. Yeah, like I said, I'll post a link in my video here, and so you guys can read the story and take a look at the video. I'll talk to you later. Bye.